Welcome to our channel Business by World. Do subscribe our channel for more videos, where we take a closer look at the world of finance. Today, we are going to discuss the stock market. What is it? How does it work? And which is the leading stock market in the world? Let's start with what the stock market is. In simple terms, the stock market is a place where people can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a share of a company, you become a part owner of that company. When the company makes a profit, you may receive a portion of that profit in the form of a dividend. Alternatively, you can sell your shares for a profit if the company's value increases. The stock market can be a complex and volatile place, but it's essential to understand how it works if you want to invest in it. So, how does the stock market work? The stock market is made up of various exchanges, where buyers and sellers come together to trade stocks. The two leading stock exchanges in the world are the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq. The NYSE is the world's largest stock exchange, and it trades primarily in stocks of established companies with a long history of profitability. On the other hand, Nasdaq is a technology-focused stock exchange that mostly trades in tech companies. Transactions on the stock market are facilitated by brokers and online trading platforms. You can buy and sell stocks through these brokers or platforms, and they charge a commission fee for their services. The stock market can be volatile, and the value of stocks can go up or down in a matter of hours or even minutes. Therefore, it's essential to conduct thorough research before investing in a company. In conclusion, the stock market is a place where people can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. The leading stock exchanges in the world are the NYSE and Nasdaq. Investing in the stock market can be a smart financial move, but it requires research and careful consideration. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something new about the stock market today.